In this video, we'll walk through how to create an academic plan in Workday as a first-year student at Wofford. The Academic Plan tool will help you plan out what courses to take, and it is also what the summer advising team will review to make sure you're on track for your first semester. After you submit it for review, the advisors will suggest changes or approve your plan and release your full registration hold in Workday. This hold must be removed prior to your registration date. The academic plan is used to create lists of courses you want to take, like LIBA 101, FYI 101, Spanish 201, or Physics 108. It is not for specific class sections, like LIBA 101C that takes place on Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 8:30 to 9:20 in Main 206. Let's get started by selecting the Academics Hub on the right-hand side of your Workday home screen. From the toolbar on the left-hand side, select Planning and Registration, and then My Academic Plan. Next, select the Update Plan button. You'll see that some items have been pre-populated on your academic plan for fall 2026, including LIBA 101 and FYI 101, which all first-year students take in their first semester at Wofford. The options on the left show missing requirements for this student. Since incoming students are undeclared in their majors, you'll only see general education requirements listed at this point. Let's add some courses for the fall term. Let's drag the natural science with a lab requirement over to the fall term. We'll select astronomy as our course of choice. Because this is a lab course, we'll also need to add the lab course to our academic plan for the fall. We'll do the same action as before, but select Physics 108L instead of Physics 108. Now we have the entire course cluster on our plan. Next, this student has an interest in taking an introductory theater class. So let's drag our fine arts requirement to our plan and add Theater 201. Lastly, this student completed their modern language placement test, and the results in My Wofford told the student that they qualified for Spanish 201. We will type in language other than English into the academic requirement field and then select Spanish 201 from the course options. When you are ready, press OK to save the plan. After you press OK, you'll see all the courses you've chosen for every term in your plan. Once you feel good about the 13 to 16 credit hours for this fall listed as units in Workday, you'll want to hit the Request Plan Approval button. Our summer advising team will respond in one of the following ways. 1. Approve your plan and release your full registration hold. Or 2. Send your plan back with comments of the changes you need to make. If you need to make changes, you will need to select the Request Plan Approval button again after those are made to send the plan back for additional review. Once your plan is approved and hold is released, you will then be ready to create your saved schedules for registration. Selecting the actual sections, dates, and times of your classes for the fall. You'll need to check Workday every day or so to know when your academic plan has been approved or needs to be updated and resubmitted. If you have any questions while creating your academic plan, please reach out to advising@wofford.edu for help troubleshooting.